Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to type text in different colors on Discord. So the best way how to actually go about doing this, guys, is to use a third-party website or use a different website. And this website is called texttrick.com. Now, what you want to do once you're on this texttrick.com website, go to where it says Discord text on the top right here, and from here just simple type whatever you want. So as you can see here, if I type in text colors, for example, I can go ahead and now switch to the tab that says, or the button here that says text color, and this is going to give you a whole different color. So here you can see a ton of different colors right here. So if I wanted to type this in purple, I can just simply click on copy, or you can even preview it as well. So just simply go ahead and click on copy, and you will also see right here that it actually gives you the code that you are able to see as well. So it shows you what that is. But the easiest way is to copy it, right? So you can type whatever text you want there, then go back to your Discord message and just simply go ahead and it's entered here. And it's gonna type it in the color. As you can see here, it is now written in that color. Again, we'll choose a different color here. So let's say we wanted to put this one in, let's find a different color here. As we saw, we will use, for example, the green one. Let's copy that, go back and paste that in, right? And as you can see, it's there and it's now gonna show up in green. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.